So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farhan Khan and you are watching Let's Speak. So today in this video I am going to share a conversation between two students. What happened? दो दोस्त क्लास में आए हैं, दोनों अपने क्लास के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. बातें होंगी इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश. आपको सीखना है कि कौन से क्वेश्चन को हम किस तरीके से बोलते हैं. तो वीडियो में अगर आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है, 2026 में परफेक्ट इंग्लिश सीखना है, तो वीडियो में बने रहें और हमारे साथ आप वर्ड टू वर्ड हर सेंटेंस को दोहराते रहें. इससे होता क्या है, हमारी फ्लुएंसी इंप्रूव होती है, नेक्स्ट हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन. गुड मॉर्निंग अमन. गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू टुडे? आई एम फाइन. Did you come early today? Yes, I came early to revise my lesson. That's good. Which class do we have first? We have English in the first period. Do you like English class? Yes, I like it very much. Why do you like English? Because our English teacher explained very well. Do you understand everything in class? Mostly yes, but sometimes I feel confused. What do you do when you don't understand? I ask the teacher or my friends. Have you completed your homework? Yes, I finished it last night. Was it difficult? No, it was easy, but a little long. Are you preparing for the exam? Yes, I study for an hour daily. Which subject is difficult for you? Mathematics is difficult for me. Do you take part in the school activities? Yes, I participate in debate and sports. Which game do you like most? I like playing cricket. What do you want to become in your future? I want to become a teacher. That's great. Teacher shapes our future. What advice will you give to students? Students should study regularly and respect teachers. Is school life is important? Yes, school life is the best part of our life. Let's study sincerely and achieve our goals. Yes, hard work always brings success. Now pause the video and practice this daily life conversation aloud with your friends. If you want to more that type of video, so please like, comment and subscribe and share to all your relative friends etc etc. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए, लिखते रहिए, सीखते रहिए एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड विथ लेट्स स्पीक.